Let us now answer the focus item, which is f of x is equal to 4x plus 10 all over 2x squared minus 8. And for the g of x, we have x plus 2 all over 2x plus 5. And we're going to look for f times g of x. To multiply f times g of x simply means that we need to multiply f of x and the g of x. Let us now substitute the value for f of x, which is 4x plus 10 all over 2x squared minus 8. Multiply to the function g of x, which is x plus 2 all over 2x plus 5. Now, in here, we're going to multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So, to simplify, we have now, for numerators, we have 4x plus 10 times x plus 2. And for the denominator, we have 2x squared minus 8 times 2x plus 5. After that, we need to factor out things that we can factor from both numerators and the denominators. So in here, we can factor out 4x plus 10, which gives us 2 times 2x plus 5. And for x plus 2, since we cannot factor it out, so therefore we need to copy x plus 2. For 2x squared minus 8, the factors will be 2 times x minus 2 times x plus 2. For 2x plus 5, we do not have any factor for that. Therefore, we just need to write 2x plus 5. After factoring, we need to cancel out things that is the same from the numerator and the denominator. So in here, we have 2 and 2 from the both numerator and denominator. 2x plus 5 from both numerator and denominator, and we have x plus 2 on both numerator and denominator. And so the final answer will be for the numerator, we have left 1, and for the denominator, we have x minus 2. So the final answer will be 1 over x minus 2.